Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. So this is the national exam of geography 2024-2025. So we are going to see this national exam because it is very important for us. You can see it and stop it if you are going to run right now. First question, what the term cluster? Stars preserved as a figure scar. What are two main types of crust? Number two, which of the following is the lowest layer of atmosphere? Number three, what are two main drainage basins in Rwanda? Number two, what is the term of the arrangement of river and its attributes? And we have the option right here and have to choose best and correct answer. And number three, which farming method is recommended in hill area of Rwanda to protect soil erosion? And have the option right here and have to choose correct answer. Which is the best practice of water conservation in rural Rwandan villages? We have options A, B, C, and D. Whereas number 3, how does the deforestation contribute to climate change? We have 4 options. B, A, by increasing the absorption of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, by reducing the amount of carbon dioxide absorbed by trees, by increasing the amount of rainfall, by decreasing the earth temperatures. Question 5. What is the primary factor of determining the type of vegetation found in a region? We have also other options to choose. So remember that if you're preparing your national exam for next year, we have many multiple choices you have to consider for. The last one, 2, which of the following is typical characteristics of grassland vegetation? Have 4 options. A, denser tree with high canopy. B, wide open areas with scattered trees and shrubs. C, low growing shrubs plant and adapted climates. D, and tall dense forest with a variety of plants. Now we can move on to the next question right here. Question 6. Which of the following is characteristics of dendritic drainage pattern? We have 4 options right here as it seems. You have to read it carefully and choose best answer. Which drainage pattern is typically associated with volcanic region? It has read dendritic, parallel, centripetal, and radial. And question 7, what time is at CTX located at 30 degrees at east wind time Greenwich is known? Have 4 options, have to choose correct answer. 2 p.m., 2 a.m., 3 p.m., and 3 a.m. Section B, you have to attempt only 2 questions by your choice, about 14 marks. Study the table below and answer the questions. We have right here the table which shows the temperature and mass. Okay. Whereas A, which the mean temperature, we have it right there. Whereas number 2, what is the annual temperature range? We have right here from the table given right here. Okay. And number 3, what is the hottest and the coolest month at weather station? And you have to choose it from this table I have given above. The hottest month is and the coldest month is. Question 9, which type of is formed from the remaining plants and animals? Have it right here, option A, B, C, and D. Number 2, what process that causes the change of limestone into marble? Have weathering, erosion, metamorphosis, deposition. Okay. In these 4 options, you have to choose best answer. Letter C. Why are metamorphosis rocks generally harder than sedimentary rocks? Have 4 options also. They are formed from magma, they are made from organic materials, they are formed on Earth's surface, they are subjected to intense heat and pressure. Roman 4. Which of the following is an example of igneous rocks? Clay, slate, mudstone, granite. And after, can move on to the question 10. What are the possible measures taken by Rwanda to mitigate the challenges of being a landlocked country? So we have to think and write in the following lines we have right here, because the 7 marks. Section 3, section C, questions about photographic interpretation is compulsory. We have this photo right here, and you're going to answer the questions that follow about this photographic region. Have seen that first question is this: what type of photography is this? And we have it right here, B and C. In which national park and district? We have right here, as you have seen, National Park of Rwanda, where photography is taken. D, given the name of activity carried out in the region shown in the photography. E, give due importance of activity mentioned in D above. Okay. Part 2, it is human and economic geography. Of course, attempt all questions about 29 marks. Question 12. Why is industrial development attract people to urban centers? Have 4 options. Okay. Have to select the best answer. Number 2. Linear settlement typically develop where? A. In area with rainfall, in mountain region, isolated area with few inhabitants, along transportation routines like roads. So you have to choose best answer from right here, okay? And we can move on to the next question. And remember, if you are preparing next national exam, you have to see how the exam is structured. If a tea plantation is established at steep hillside, which soil conservation techniques would be most appropriate? A. Monoculture, bush burning, and you have to choose best answer. 14. Fill in the blank space with the following proposed words: natural, tropical rainforest, deforestation, afforestation, and exploitation. A. Forestry is industry engages and preservation of the trees. B. Planting trees in an area that previously had a no forestry is called. C. Is planting of trees in an area where forest has been destroyed. D. Nyungwe forest is an example of forest in Rwanda. E. Hardwood trees in continuous canopy. And think under growth are characteristics of dash dash. And here we have seen that question 15, what is and you have to choose in the above options I have given. But question 15, what is the term of rearing fish in artificial water bodies or ponds? A. Aquaculture, pisciculture, horticulture, and agriculture. But if it's here rearing fish, it can be aquaculture. And what about Roman 2? What is the common traditional fishing method in Africa? Common tradition: spearing, traveling, seining, drifting. So you have to choose best answer. What is irrigation? A. Direct reclamation. B. Application of water to land for agriculture. C. The rearing of animals. D. The clearing of forest or for farming. Whereas Roman 2, how does subsistence farming differ from commercial farming? You have 4 options. You have to choose best answer from the following options, okay? You can read it. Whereas here, question 17. And remember that if a question has 2 marks, remember that we have 2 options. We have to choose right there, okay? What is a population census? A. Study of population preferences. B. An official count of population. C. A prediction of future population growth. D. a way of controlling population growth. So you have to choose best answer. Number 2, which of the following is not a physical factor influencing population distribution? A. Climate. B. Soil fertility. C. Region. D. Relief. Roman 2. Roman 3. Why are some of areas of Africa separately populated? A. Due to reliable rainfall and fertile soil. B. Due to harsh climate such as desert and regions. C. Due to high level of urbanization and none of above. Okay. Whereas 18. How could development of efficient transportation infrastructure impact mining operations? Have 4 options, have to choose best answer. Increasing production costs, reduce access to mineral deposit, facilitate transport of mined mineral, decrease of demand of the mineral. Number 2, what is the main advantage of biomass energy? It requires high cost inputs, it's widely available and naturally distributed. To contribute and have to choose best answer. Section B, attempt only 3 questions of your choice. 19 is match location Akagera National Park, Nyungwe National Park, Volcano National Park with tourist attraction, home to mountain gorillas, known for savanna landscape and buffaloes and lions, known for primary diverse plant life and canopy walk. Last Roman 2, match the problem of column A with potential consequences. Column B. Poaching, political instability, environmental destruction, inadequate infrastructure. And whereas in column B, decrease in tourist arrival, decline in wildlife populations, difficulty in accessing tourist sites. Whereas last one is loss of natural attraction. Question 20. A. Which of the following is not traditional method of communication? Have to know that not. Smoke signals, beating drums, internet, whistling. This is answer is internet. 2. What is the major advantage of using road transport? A. Limited flexibility. B. Traffic congestion and accident. C. High speed. D. Environmental sustainability. Whereas Roman 3 use words or words given in the bracket to complete the following sentences: air transport, water transport, and land transport. Have to fill the first two. For example, A dash dash refers to the aircraft of transport, that is air transport. B refers to the movement of people and goods, that is air. Movement of goods, passengers in water bodies, that is water. Match type of industry to description you have right here. A, primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary. Whereas in the description you have provide services, extract raw materials, processes raw materials into finished goods or products. Roman 2, which of the following is not a major factor determining the location of industries? A, presence of monetized, availability of raw materials, skilled labor, and transport facilities. The correct answer is A. Okay. Whereas here, the presence of the following can lead to the growth of an industrial cluster or agglomeration. A. Governmental incentives. B. Skilled labor availability. C. Proximity of transport network. D. All of the above. So I have to choose correct answer from given options. Whereas here on last question is discuss importance of power and energy. Hey, this is free maths. Importance of power and energy in our country. So I can say that don't forget to share and subscribe. And next we shall give you marking guide for this one, because we give you this exam which is look like this one in order to help you to learn.